All right, now I'm going to go over how we find sums of arithmetic series. So I kind of said that weird. Sums of arithmetic series. So when we add the terms of an arithmetic series, instead of just having to like add them one by one, we're going to use some formulas. Well, really just one formula and the ones we've been using. So the formula for the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic series is going to be n times the quantity of a1 plus an over 2. I'm going to go over later as like why this formula works. So for now, just trust me, have faith, and you'll start catching on, and you'll see like how this is actually a pretty simple formula once you understand it. So let's look at the first example. We have find the sum of the first 100 terms for this sequence: 9, 6, 3, 0, and so forth. So we want to find S100. So S100 using this equation will be equal to 100 because n is 100 times a1 plus an or plus a100 over 2, which is going to be 100 times, that's kind of small. Let me let's go and move to the next line. 100 times a1, which is 9, but we need a100 over 2. So we're just one number away from being able to solve this. So we need to find a100. So let's set a100 equal to, and let's just use one of our equations from before. am plus d times n minus n. Let's go with a1 plus d, our common difference will be -3 because we're going down 3 each time. So plus a -3 times n, or 100 minus 1. And we work it down. So a1 is 9. So 9 minus 3 times 99. 9 minus 297. That should be -288, I believe. Let me ask my calculator. 9 minus 297. Yep. -288. So here we're going to have -288. And we just work this out. So we have 100 times 9 minus 288. So that would be -279. Let's ask my calculator. Yep, -279 over 2. Looks like I ran out of space again, so let's go out over here. That's 100 will be -279 over 2 times 100. So 100 times -139.5. It's be -13,950. Yep. Let me grab some water. But there's another one. So for B, we have find S75 for -1, 5, 11, -1 plus 5 plus 11 plus 17 plus. I'm going to throw that away. Fresh marker. Okay, so S75. We're going to have S75. Our N will be 75 times A1 plus A75 over 2. So we have A1, but we need A75. So let's we'll leave that like that for now. So again, we just need to find A75. A75, using this guy, let's go with A1, of course. A75 equals A1 plus D times 75 minus 1. The common difference D, we're going up by 6 each time. So D is 6, so plus 6 times 75 minus 1. Yeah. A1 is -1. -1 plus 6 times 74. So 443. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So 443. Let's squeeze this over here. We get 75. A1 is -1 plus 443 over 2. 75 times 442 over 2. I ran out again. Wow. Let's go back. 75 times 221. 16,575. Yeah. All right, one more of these. And let's see. Let's see. We're going to find S50 for 7.5, 7, 6.5, and so forth. All right, so then you again try to always, once you think you're catching on, let me correct that so it's not so crooked. Try these on your own, pause the video and then check with me, because that's how you really learn. Well, let me go through it. We want to find S50. I'm going through these faster now because we've redone a couple. N is 50. A1. So A1, we can go 7.5 plus AN, or A50 in this case. over 2. So 50 times 7.5 plus, we need to find the A50. Let's leave that like that. Let's see if it fits in there. Let's go find that A50 using this guy. A50 will be, let's say A1 plus D, common difference D, we're going down by 0.5, so minus 0.5 times 50 minus 1. A1 is 7.5. Minus 0.5 times 49. Going to the next line. 7.5. Whoops. Minus half of 49. That'll be 24.5. 7.5 minus 24.5. Negative 17. So that's going to go right here. Dun, dun, dun. Negative 17. So now we work this guy out. 50 times 7.5 minus 17. So that would be what? Negative 9.5 over 2. So it'll just be 50 times 4.75. Or negative 4.75. So close to fitting an L in there. That's all good. So we'll get then negative 237.5. That'll be your final answer. All right, now we're going to look at a couple that are actually in a different form, but will be easier. So hang on a second while I grab this. All right, so let's transition here. So we're now going to look at when we have summation notation. 2 reds, well, let's switch to the black. For D, we got K equals 1 to 20. 56 minus 2K. Okay, so then when we have this type of notation, it's just knowing how to read it. Meaning that we want to find the sum of the first 20 terms. So the sum of A1 all the way to A20. A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 all the way to A20. Want to find all that. Now, instead of just finding all 20 and adding them all up, we can just find the first and the 20th. Then multiply it by 20, divide by 2. So in other words, this is the same as the sum of S20. So let's write this as S20. will be 20 times A1 plus A20 over 2. So then let's find A1 and A20. And this is actually easier because all you have to do is plug in 1 into here to get A1 and plug in 20 into here to get A20. So then A1 is just going to be 56 minus 2 times 1, or 56 minus 2. It'll be 54. A20 will just be 56 minus 2 times 20, or 56 minus 40, which will be 16. So then this will just be, and let me just, I don't want to squeeze it again. I need to work on my, like, I don't even know how do you call it? I need to work on my spacing. 20 times 54 plus 16 over 2. Do the math. 54 plus 16, 60, 70, 60, 70 over 2, 35, so 20 times 35. 10 times 35, 350, so it's 700. Dang. Yeah. So two more of those guys. For E, K is 1. So K equals 1 to 12. So not a good K. Three plus 4K. So we want to find the sum of the first 12 terms. So we want to find S12. See if I can space it out nicely. So it'll be 12 times A1 plus A12 over 2. And let's find then A1 and A12. So A1 we find by plugging 1 into here. 3 plus 4 times 1. 3 plus 4, 7. A12. 3 plus 4 times 12. 3 plus 48. 51. And then we'll get 12 times 7 plus 51 over 2. And I'm working our way around. So 12, 58 over 2. That'll be 29. 12 times 29. I think that's 292, 3 something. 12 times 29. 348. All right. And let's just do one more. Un más. Make sure we got this on lockdown. All right. So this is going to have every student's greatest fear in math. The F word. That's right, fractions, guys. We have negative 33 plus 5 halves. Okay. So we got to face our fears. So it's fine from the first to the 18th term. So we have to find the sum of the first 18 terms. So we're going to have 18 times A1 plus A18 over 2. Let's find A1 and A18. A1, A18. A1, we plug in 1 into that. Negative 33 plus 5 halves times 1. This is just negative 33 plus 2.5. That'll be negative 30.5. And A18, negative 33 plus 5 halves times 18. Negative 33, so 2.5 times 18. So 45, so then I'll be 12. Or oops, negative 33 plus 45. Yeah, then we'll get 12 for that. That wasn't so bad. You plug them in. So 18 times negative 30.5 plus 12 over 2. Working our way. 18 negative 30.5 plus 12. What would that be? Negative 18.5, right? 18 times negative 9.25. And here we go. Negative 166.5. All right, there you go. Yeah, that wasn't so bad. So just one more unit or one more lesson in this unit where we're going to go over geometric sums and series and sequences and all that. We did the same sort of thing that we did with arithmetic sequences with geometric sequences. But as usual, give me some feedback if I made a mistake or explained something weird or just like didn't make any sense. Again, I'm a teacher, so I'm used to, not being perfect at making mistakes. But, just let me know what I can improve on. And if you haven't yet and you think I'm helping you out, make sure you subscribe and let me know, again, any other topics you want me to work on. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.